We're here to talk about Darche's new Eco Series chair. It's got a couple of nifty features. Let's go through that. So some of the nifty features that this chair does have, the Darche Eco Series Relax Chair. The actual material, it's a 600 denier, eco-friendly recycled polyester. So believe it or not, it does feel quite sturdy. It is actually going to be one of the strongest chairs that we have in the store. So definitely give it a try next time you're in, because it's got a 120 kilo weight limit. It only weighs 4.5 kilos, but it does have a lot of support. It is a big chair. It will actually hold you quite nicely. So let's go through on how it packs up and sets up. So here is the actual beechwood frame that it comes with. From there, the actual recycled polyester cover just slides on at the front, and then you'll have that whole entire base. If you have any questions, drop in store and we'll see you then. Happy camping.